My son was fathered by a beast, so I was told. His father left him, claiming they don't give birth to such creatures where it comes from, that I should return it to its real parent. Nobody wants to talk to me. When I walk on the street with my baby, people run away as if they have seen a ghost. Meet Silver, the unfortunate 9-month-old child who's enduring the worst of birth defects. He was born with this disability. He cries almost every time. Ever since he was born, I never let him off my sight. I used to do some low-ranking jobs to make ends meet, but I can't no more. I'm always holding him. Whenever he tries to stand up and attempt to walk like other babies, his head becomes a barrier and pushes him back to the floor. I took him to hospital and they told me his head is filled with water and that is why his brain cannot function. This is a result of medical condition called hydrocephalus, which is a buildup of fluid in the brain and leads to a brain damage. This condition is characterized by head enlargement in infants. They experience headache, impaired vision, cognitive difficulties, loss of coordination, and incontinence. If it is not well treated, it becomes fatal. Due to media awareness, Silver has undergone primary medical tests to detect his illness, but the treatment needs to be carried out abroad and it requires a lot of financial means that his family cannot afford. If you are willing to help, an official GoFundMe page is pinned in the comment section.
Maximed, link up with the world.